Hello everyone, I am Sam from Kepo Art Studio. This video will show you how to make a custom brush in Photoshop. To begin, we need to make a new blank document. Go to File, New, and at this New Document Settings, we need some appropriate settings for the maximum brush size. So, if you want to make a high resolution brush preset, make sure you choose a high resolution image no less than the maximum brush size for your Photoshop version. If you are using Photoshop CS6 or below, the maximum brush size is 2500 pixels, but if you are using Photoshop CC, the maximum brush size is 5000 pixels. Because I'm using Photoshop CC, so I set the new blank document size to 5000 by 5000 pixels with 72 pixels per inch resolution. You may also set it with 300 pixels per inch if you want. If you finish, click Create. Now, because we are going to make our new custom brush preset, we only need a black silhouette over a white or transparent background. So if your image has a background color other than white or transparent, you need to remove the background first or change it to white. Okay, now let's drag the image onto the canvas. Make a selection over the image. Here I use the polygonal lasso tool to make the selection. Or you might also want to choose any other selection tool such as rectangular or elliptical marquee tool. Depends on the shape of the subject you are going to select. If you finish, go to Edit, select Define Brush Preset, give any name you want for the brush. In this example, I name it Cypress Tree. Press Ctrl D on your keyboard to remove the selection, and let's try the new brush on a new layer. Make a new layer by pressing this icon. Here it is. Now you can brush it with any color you want. Or you might also want to make it more beautiful. Try to experiment using the brush settings. To open the brush settings window, go to Window and select Brush Settings. As you can see, there are so many options here you can try to stylize your brush. Okay guys, that's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more future uploads. And as always, thanks for watching this video and see you guys later.